Hi, I'm Mike Thornton, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to use Smart Align, a brand new feature in Revoice Pro to fit some ADR without even leaving Pro Tools. What you've just heard is my first attempt at ADR from a video recorded on my iPhone here in the studio, and I'm now going to show you how I did that ADR fit using the new features in Revoice Pro 4.3. Here we have a Pro Tools session. We've got the video track here. Then we've got the audio taken from my phone, and then a track with the new ADR audio. And as you can see, it doesn't completely fit. It's not bad, but it's not a close fit. So what we need to do is to open up the Audio Suite Quick APT plugin, which we can find here in the Other menu. So Revoice Pro Quick APT. And now you'll see that the plugin is warning me that Revoice Pro, the actual application which is doing all the hard work, isn't running. But again, it tells me what I need to do. So we'll click on the Start Revoice Pro, and then up comes all the settings. But the key thing here is we don't really need to see what's going on in Revoice Pro because it's all available here in the plugin. First, we need to select the guide audio. You can see here number 1. So we'll select the guide audio, capture guide. That's number 2. Number 3, select the dub audio track. So we'll do that. Then number 4, capture the dub. Now what we need to do is to set the preset. So I use the factory preset. In fact, I've already got it selected here. Smart Align Tightest Timing. Not worried about pitch because this is ADR and it's my voice to my voice. So we have that one. So now having selected the guide, the dub, and set the preset, all of which is effectively controlling Revoice Pro, but I don't need to see what's going on, then we can now extend or move this selection using the semicolon key. So we bring it down onto the Smart Align track. So that tells the Audio Suite plugin where to render the aligned version, and then click Aligned. And there we have it. This is the fitted version. So here we go. So we'll just solo that track. It is to use Smart Align, a brand new feature in Revoice Pro to fit some ADR. And there we go. That is it. Now the other really clever thing that I want to show you is how Smart Align deals with the gaps. Now to demonstrate that, I'm going to take this section here out of the guide track, and then I'm going to change the preset to the equivalent preset that isn't a Smart Align. So this will show you how Revoice Pro used to handle gaps before this new Smart Align feature came along. So we'll need to recapture the guide because we've changed it. I'll just for good measure recapture the dub, although there isn't really any need because it hasn't changed. We've got the preset set, so now we just use the semicolon key to move that selection down here. So we've got that same selection on the time align track, and then we're going to hit render aligned. Now first thing you'll see is, although I had this highlighted on the Smart Align track, you'll see that Revoice Pro has actually extended the selection right back to the beginning. But you can see here where the gap is, things all start to go wrong. So let's have a quick listen to that. So we'll solo that. Smart Align, a brand new feature in Revoice Pro to fit some ADR without even leaving Pro Tools. So you can see that it really didn't know what to do. It's tried to fit the audio that was supposed to be here against the audio towards the end, and of course then it's got the actual audio towards the end left hanging. So just to prove that the Smart Align feature does this properly, we'll go back and we'll select the Smart Align Tightest Timing. We don't need to capture the guide or the dub because I haven't changed anything. So again, we'll just take this selection and use the semicolon key to bring it down onto this new time align 2 track. Smartest timing, render aligned. And now if we just move the plugin out of the way, you can see that it has aligned everything. And if we just solo this track, Smart Align, a brand new feature in Revoice Pro to fit some ADR without even leaving Pro Tools. Now, of course, it's not been able to align this section because there was nothing in the guide there, but everything else is aligned. We don't have extra clip under here, and everything else all lines up. So there you have it, speedy fitting of ADR using Revoice Pro with the new Smart Align feature in version 4.3 and using the quick APT Audio Suite plugin. But the key thing is all without having to leave Pro Tools. Job done.